Hello, in this video I will be showing you how to add filters to pictures on iPhone. The first thing you need to do is simply open Photos. Once in Photos, you are going to tap on the photo that you'd like to add a filter to. Then you are going to tap on Edit in the top right hand corner. And from here you are going to tap on the three interlocking circles at the bottom of the page. Then you will see the option Original and you're going to simply glide across, and as you can see, with every box you see a different filter that you could apply. And once you have found a filter that you like, all you will have to do is simply tap on Done in the bottom right hand corner to save it. And that's it. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.